Hampshire Sheen, fanatical about finishing, 2-minute tutorial series. Professional clear gloss lacquer. Step 1. Sand your work. We recommend 400 grit, but you can go finer if you wish to. Wipe away the dust between the grits. Step 2. Use methylated spirits, denatured alcohol, to clean the grain as much as possible. You could also use compressed air. Step 3. If you wish to, add some colour to the piece. On this maple bowl, we are using midnight blue and sky blue from the Intrinsic Colour Collection. Step 4. Denib the colours using a paper towel to burnish the surface. Step 5. Apply sanding sealer as shown in the Pro Matte Sealer tutorial. You could also use our Wipe-On cellulose sealer. Step 6. Our Pro Spray Sealer produces a super hard surface. Here we are lightly denibbing it with 400 grit abrasive. The piece is ready for the Pro Clear Gloss Lacquer when the surface is nice and smooth. Step 7. After shaking the Pro Clear Lacquer can for at least 2 minutes, apply to the piece in an arcing motion around 20 cm from the surface. Evenly and lightly cover just over 1/3 of the piece on each pass. Lacquer sprays are best applied in a warm environment that is not overly humid. When you have finished, invert the can and spray for a couple of seconds to clear the nozzle. Step 8. When dry, use a non-abrasive pad like the grey 3M Scotch-Brite pad to denib the surface. Our Pro Gloss Lacquer is incredibly tough when dry, and you may find it easier to denib the surface carefully with 400 grit abrasive. Step 9. Wipe away the dust and your piece is now ready for another coat. Repeat the previous steps for the number of coats you wish to apply. Generally, 2 coats over properly sealed wood is enough for a basic finish. If you wish to polish using abrasive compounds, we recommend at least 4 coats. Step 10. After your final coat is completely dry, the piece is finished and ready to be either taken off the lathe or polished with compounds.